Almost hidden amongst these trees are the world's smallest elephants. A few months old, this Bornean elephant calf is only about the height of a very large dog. Elephants have excellent memories. Matriarchs retain a mental map of different landmarks. Some more challenging than others. There are threats here. But crocodiles are not the biggest danger. And the current is so strong it could easily carry a calf away. His mother and aunts surround him. He is exhausted. His mother has brought them here for a particular reason. Oil palms. Elephants greatly enjoy their fruit. The plantation owners do their best to protect their crop. The elephants have become trespassers on their own land. Plantations are frequently completely cut down so that new trees can be planted. But what looks like desolation is actually opportunity. This plantation is different. When old trees are felled, the herd can provide a waste disposal service. As a result, some Malaysian farmers have started to encourage elephants onto their land. And this place has other attractions too.